Hey, and welcome back to the channel. And today's October 7th, and we're going to be starting the first Christmas siding project for the season. And I just want to show you real quick here a quick video of some stuff that we're bringing here. We really don't have to bring a bunch of equipment here because the customer on this project has elected to store the Christmas lights at their home. So with that, it makes it a lot easier for us to do that. And again, the equipment that you need here, the essential equipment, the ladders and things like that, the types of lights and how to do the installations, I actually talk about that and give you step-by-step training in the Christmas Lights for Profit course. And you can get the link to learn more and actually purchase that course and enroll in it today in the description below. So stay tuned because we got some more video footage coming your way on this project. Hey, welcome back, and we're at the project right now. We're about to start the first Christmas lighting project for the year here. And I'm just going to turn the camera around here and show you exactly the areas that we're going to be putting lights on. All right, let's do it. We're going to be starting here just to the left side of this fence here on the left side of the home, probably about 10 to 15 feet close to that window. We're going to be doing that left side gutter and then this front side gutter, and we're going to finish here on the front to this front side gable. And then you see here over the garage, we're going to install lights on that gutter line, and then over the front door, that gutter line there, and those two dormers, we're going to finish up on the right side with that right front gable. And then we'll finish the whole project by installing those C9 lights on this right side gutter line all the way to the fence. And that's the project. All right, we're still at that project here, and we're up on the roof, and we're installing the lights here, if you can see behind me, on the dormers. And I've got some quick tips here that I want to show you. And these tips are in the Christmas Lights for Profit course. And what's really great about that is we have 3 options for you so you can customize your training. We have a basic course, an advanced course, and a pro course. So again, the link to find out more about the course and to register for that course today, one of those courses is in the description below. So you want to make sure you check that out. But one quick tip here, if you can and wherever you can, especially on high areas, make sure you replace the old clips with new clips. Now with shingle tabs, you don't have to do that, but with the gutter clips, I will tell you, you will definitely want to do that. All right, stay tuned, and we're going to show you one more video here after we finish the completion of this project. All right, so as you can see here, where the customer wanted these lights on the left side, we're just actually to the left or the right side of that one window. I don't know, that's probably around close to 20 feet to the left of this fence line. And then we came all around here. We did the front, the gutter line, the gables, which is a typical install that most customers will want, especially in the Texas area. We came around here, we did this gutter line over the garage, then the gutter line over by the front door, and those 2 dormers. I actually had to get up on that. And then the gable here, and then we finished off here on the right side with these C9 Christmas lights all the way to that back fence line. All right, thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helped. And again, to learn more and to register for the Christmas Lights for Profit course, it's going to help you whether it's just simple basic installation that you want to learn on your own home or another property, or maybe you want to add Christmas lighting services to your existing business, or even start Christmas lighting right now this year. That Christmas Lights for Profit course is going to help you. And again, the link is in the description below. Thanks again. Talk to you later.